Hello, namaste. Um, Today I'm getting you one of the very useful video. Um, it could be useful for the future buyers, which I already purchased those kitchen appliance. So I want to show you through this video. भन्नु खोजे यो भिडियोले पनि अलिकति हेल्प हुनसक्छ जुन चाहिँ चिज मैले किनेको छु हैन त्यसैले अहिले भिडियो अलिकति यसो बनाउन कोसिस गरिरहेको छु. The people who are in really dilemma to buy this product will be little bit helpful. That's why I'm gonna unbox that product. Just wait and see. This product, look, this is the one I'm going to open it and you guys will see it, what is actually inside. So you know lah, अब म यसलाई unbox गर्छु, खोल्छु. Now let's see. Right. Oh dear. Going through it now. Let's reveal it. And what is that? 5.2 liter. Okay. Now I'm gonna unbox this one as well. अब यो खोल्दैछु है मैले. ल यो कतिको राम्रो रहेछ. अब रिभ्यू हेर्दाखेरि धेरै राम्रो देखिन्छ. यो चाहिँ जो 3-4 जना फ्यामिलीको लागि चाहिँ राम्रै देखिन्छ. यो एउटा क्याटलग जस्तो आउने रहेछ. यो एउटा क्याटलग जस्तो आउँदो रहेछ. Just to take it out, this one got on this side, and then there you go. Eject nothing. How does it look like? Let's see. Ooh, super. There you go. Okay, now this cooker. Wow, good, sir. Let's see. यसरी निकाल्नु पर्ने रहेछ. ल यसलाई यसरी ठक्क राख्ने यहाँ मासु राख्ने. अब केही चिज अब भेजिटेबल whatever you want to do it, just do it. Temperature, max crisp, bake, reheat, dehydrate, roast. Dehydrate means like you can make banana chips as well, or from apple you can make it chips. That is kind of dehydrate process. Okay, it will become a chips or very dry हुन जान्छ, crunchy. यसलाई भन्छ. अब रोस्ट टाइमिङ हियर स्टार्ट गर्ने यहाँबाट यहाँ हट्टा राख्ने ल. अब यो तयार भएपछि म फेरि देखाउँछु. अब मेरो एयर फ्रायरलाई चाहिँ मैले किचनमा चाहिँ यहाँ राख्ने प्लान गरेको छु है त. ल पर्फेक्टली फिट. अब whenever you buy a like kitchen appliance like this, ninja fryer or like air fryer, whatever, you have to measure off first. Will it fit in your kitchen or no? किचनमा फिट हुन्छ हुँदैन हेर्नु त पर्यो पहिला. तर मलाई पहिले थाहा थियो. सो मेजर गरेर मैले लिएको थियो. त्यसले गर्दा मलाई धेरै सजिलो भयो है. आफै टु इजी. अब एकताल हेर्छु स्टार्टिङ कस्तो रहेछ. अब फर्स्टमा यहाँ स्टार्टमा ल लुक एट दिस ब्युटिफुल. अब म फुडलाई अहिले एकछिनपछि तयार पार्छु. त्यसपछि म फेरि देखाउँछु कस्तो आउँछ यसबाट है त. अब गइरहेको छु. फर्स्टमा यसलाई हल्का प्रिहिट पनि गर्नु पर्यो. वी हेभ टु प्रिहिट एन्ड देन आफ्टर probably I need to little bit wash because it's a brand new one using the kitchen cloth wipes. Yeah, so I'm going to use that one. I will clean it. These are the chips which I bought today. and then chicken wings, which is already like a mixed one, which ready to cook one. And then today I'm going to cook these chips and then barbecue wings into that Ninja air fryer, and I will let you know, guys, how much the taste and the crispiness, all these things, I will let you know. Stay tuned. The really important thing is before you start, before you use this air fry, it has to be preheat mode. You have to do it preheat. That means 4-5 minutes चाहिँ यो हिट चाहिँ गर्नुपर्छ यहाँ. You have to make it heat first. Then put it out this one. Put chips, whatever things you want to roast or make it crisp, whatever. Then after the pour inside and fix the temperature, fix this time, and what you want to do, reheat or dehydrate, bake, what do you want to do, maximum crisp, and just do it that way. So now I'm gonna do preheat for at least 3 minutes. Five, 4, 3. Temperature is, I'm gonna make 190. I need 190 for chips. Air fry, and then I'm gonna press it here for restart. That's it. Now preheating. Okay, यो preheating चाहिँ done. अघि भइसक्यो preheating. अब यसलाई म निकालेर अब त्यो हाल्ने. ओहो क्या तातो हुँदो रहेछ. ल अब यसलाई म चिप्स हाल्छु. यो चिप्सलाई मैले टक्कै यहाँ हालेँ. ल अब तर हल्लाइ चाहिँ राख्नुपर्छ है. यु हेभ टु चेक इट टाइम टु टाइम हैन. म अझै एक अर्को प्याकेट पनि हाल्छु. Gonna add one more. No. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do it like this. So if I want to put now 22 minutes. Let's see. Let's set the temperature. 190. Time is 22 minutes. And let's start. See you later on. Now, less than minute left to see. The sound is not that much quiet and loud, reasonably okay. That's end. Now let's see. अब हेर्ने टाइम आयो है. आमामामा यस्तो दामी भुटिँदो रहेछ. ल दामी. ल अब एकचोटि एउटा हेरिहाल्छु है त मैले. तातो छ अलिकति त. सुपर. दामी. Now I'm gonna place these wings. It's already mixed everything, just ready to cook. All right, let's see. Yeah, lava. Ah man, nice and crispy chicken. For chicken wings is end now. What's up, you? हेर त अब कस्तो हुन्छ यसको. अफ भएछ. अब आमामामामा सही भएछ नि त. ल looks so good. Let me just. Ooh, you shouldn't put it. You have to use the. ल हातले टिप्नुपर्छ क्या हो. ल चाहिँ यस्तो भयो है now crispy chicken ल दामी ल delicious ल now oh yeah earlier I told you not to pour like this okay त्यस्तो गर्नुहुन्न किनभने भित्रको त्यो फ्याटहरु सबै झर्छ so use the tongue okay so where is the metal tongue use this suitable or correct metal tongue to pick it up from here oh यसरी है त एउटा एउटा गर्दै निकाल्ने यसरी ल दामी क्रिस्पी भएछ ल ए okay ल right now that's the final one so it looks so good ल दामी तल्ले अब निन्जा एयर फ्राई चाहिँ राम्रै गरिदिँदो रहेछ सबै कुरो ल फाइनली लेफ्ट ओभर है so at the end I found really good stuff and very healthy and this product was met my expectation which is really good and but it's all depends on the individual's necessities. Nevertheless, I would suggest you to buy this product in order to keep you healthy and away from the fat and oil.